Hey guys, welcome back to Clueless Crafts. We're trying something a little bit different with the setup, so hopefully you like it. Now, I was having a bit of trouble figuring out what I wanted to do for this video. And I was doing Google searches and I was trying to think of what everyone would like. Not this. And I thought of a test tube alien. Has anyone ever seen those sponge toys? Well, they have these for aliens where you have a little pill or something in a test tube, you fill it up with water and then turn it into an alien. So it's like an alien in a cryo chamber. And I'm like, I need that. So I'm taking a little bottle, just got it from the dollar store, and we're gonna make something cool out of it with clay and a little bit of resin. So keep watching if you want to see how we do it. Please keep in mind that I have no idea how to do this, and we're going to be learning together. Alright, so opening up this bottle, it's a lot smaller than I remember, so we just got to make sure everything we make can fit inside. So let's start off with a green log. Not really sure where I'm going with this, but just creating a head with my tool and cutting out a mouth with my knife. And putting in some eyes in the head, and they're not very even, but that's okay, we'll look past that. And putting in a little piece of clay in the mouth to create some depth and pushing that in, and oh look, now he's winking. That's okay, we'll keep that. And I guess we'll go ahead and give him some teeth with this white clay. Nope, now he doesn't have any teeth. Okay, maybe let's try that again and make sure we make them smaller. And that's looking a little better. Oh, interesting. Well, let's move on to filling in the eyes, give him a little yellow eyeball and a yellow tummy. It's gonna look like a snake tummy, I guess, with all the lines that we're gonna indent into it. Still not exactly sure where I'm going. Oh, but we're gonna give him a little mohawk. And does he fit? Yeah, enough. So let's give him some arms. They're really long, tentacle looking things, and they're not proportionate, but that's okay. And I tried to do little tentacles, I did not like that, so I just added them individually. And I blended them in, and apparently he uses his long arm as a tentacle as well, which makes sense, I guess. So I'm just gonna continue blending, and I'd call this guy done. Little cute, little derpy, but let's move on. The next one, I'm starting with some blue clay, making sure that it's the right size, and I'm gonna give him a little collar. No, it's too short. Let's roll it out more. Yeah, that looks better. And oh no, now it's too long. Well, third time's a try, right? Or charm? Third time's a charm. Oh, and nope, just kidding. It's the fourth time. That works. And let's just tidy that up a bit. And add in a mouth. Oh, that looks nice. Let's add in some luscious lips. Oh no, I'm just kidding. We need to add teeth first. So let's roll out little triangles and add those on in a circular pattern. I decided I didn't like that tooth. It was just not speaking to me. So let's just replace it with little smaller ones. That seems to look better. Kind of looks like those spearmint candies. What are those? Anyway, let's add the lips around. Oh, too much. Cut it down a bit. And sloppily blend the edge. And oh look, now he's too big to fit in. Okay, we gotta change that. Let's just cut off the back of him. See if that, nope, still doesn't work. Alright, let's squish him down some more. Maybe that'll do it. Nope. Nope. Alright, let's give him a cone head.
it? Okay, yeah, that works. Well, it looks a little bit weird now, but let's just give him some eyes to match. It's very demented looking right now. I don't know if that'll change. But let's just add some black clay in the eyes, darken them up, and some lines along his collar on the back. Just to give it some more detail. And apparently we're gonna give him a six-pack. Alright, just keep adding lines and... Oh my god, what are you doing? Why are you... No, that's not how you make an arm. Oh, no, that's not better. Oh, and look at that little nugget. Oh, look at that little nugget. Yeah, that's right, you fix it. That's right. Hide your mistakes. Adding more pattern and texture. And we're gonna do that all the way around. Until it looks something like this weird worm thing. And I guess we're gonna add some bent arms. Uneven like the first one, of course. And we're turning them into claws apparently. Should have done that before, but I really don't know where I'm going with this. And now we're cutting into his legs. There's some weird legs. Oh, and some claws too. I also added claws on the feet. And now I'm just taking some acetone and fixing up all the fingerprints. And into the oven they go. Alright, so that was a lot of steps crammed together, but now we're done and we have our aliens baked. I don't know if it'll focus, but that's what they look like. And look, I just broke off his toe. It's a good thing he won't be needing it where he's going. Now I had filled up a bottle of water. I know I said I was doing resin in the beginning, but things change. I think resin would be a lot of extra work, and I don't think the product would turn out as nice. I want to be able to move my alien around in the test tube, and I think water's easiest, and I know that polymer clay is waterproof, so it will be fine in there. And so I filled this up to make sure that there was no leaks in the bottle, and it seems fine. So I filled up another 2 bottles, another one's over there, and we're gonna see if it fits. Now I didn't really pre-test this, so far not good. Maybe just squeeze it more. God, it looks like I'm drowning him. I don't want to break him like I did the other. Well, now he's kind of stuck. Oh, okay. So it looks like he's going in now. It's probably going to be a spillage, so I'm just going to put a plate underneath. Since my table right now consists of poster board. That's definitely gonna overflow. But I didn't want to fill it up anymore, so. I don't know if you saw that, but that was a water explosion. Alright, well, he's in there. Let's fill him up. Yeah. Creepy. There's air bubble in there though, which I don't like. So I'm just gonna pour a bit more so it's overflowing. Let's see if that. Okay, that's better. Alright, on to the next. Hopefully this one goes in a bit easier. Oh yeah, okay. This one should be fine. Yeah. Unless... You know, I did say we were going to be learning along the way. And apparently you need to measure 5 times. Because 4 times isn't enough. Okay, most of the way in. I kind of want to leave it like this. I know. Just push it. Nothing to live for. Come on. Okay. Let's grab a tool. Okay. Why do you have to have such delicate toes? Another water explosion. Oh, looks like he lost some of his fingers in there. That's alright. Alright, I'm just gonna take some of this extra water in here and make another mess. There we go. Alright. We have fun here, don't we? Oh, that looks creepy. Alright. So, I'll show you some close-ups of them and how they look. But overall, I'm pretty happy with them. They're never coming out of these bottles though. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you want to see me in more videos, just be sure to like and I'll appear in future ones. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I put out new videos every week and I'm sure you guys will love them. Other than that, hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you all later. Bye!